In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view user activity in Jira using two different approaches. Jira is a robust tool that often leaves you wondering about the details of user interactions. Whether you're tracking productivity, resolving issues, or just curious, understanding these user activities can be essential. So let's dive straight into how you can efficiently monitor user activity within Jira. Let's start with the first method, which involves viewing user activity directly from the user profile. To get started, look for your avatar located in the top right corner of your Jira dashboard. Clicking on this avatar will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you should select the Profile option. This simple action directs you to your activity feed within Jira. Here, in this section, you can observe recent issues, comments, and any updates linked to your account. This is a straightforward method, perfect for getting a quick overview of your personal activity within the system. Whether you're looking to reflect on your recent contributions or check up on any unresolved tasks in your pipeline, this feature serves you well. It's particularly beneficial for staying organized and ensuring you're on top of ongoing tasks. Now, if you're interested in getting a broader perspective that covers all users, our second option is accessing the global user activity logs. This approach is slightly different, as it grants more detailed insights into user interactions across the entire platform. To begin, navigate to the Jira settings, move on to the System section, and finally head over to the audit log. Within the audit log, you'll find detailed records of logins, issue changes, and configuration updates performed by various users. This comprehensive log is especially useful for administrators or team leads who are focusing on tracking changes or ensuring compliance. By having access to such detailed logs, you can effectively manage your team's workflow, ensuring that any modifications align with your organization's policies and directives. It's a powerful way to gain understanding and control of user activities across the board. So, there you have it. Two distinct methods to monitor user activity in Jira. Whether you're seeking a quick personal recap through your profile or a detailed log of activities for the entire team, each approach offers unique advantages. Explore these methods within your Jira platform to determine which one aligns best with your needs. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy tracking.